So to use your CanScanner, you touch on the CS icon. Now when it opens, you can snap multiple pages as one document. So you click on the camera icon to start snapping. So it's in dock, you can see it's in dock. So go over your paper, flash off if possible on auto, and snap the first page. This is the first page snapped. Go to next. Now change the name of the file to your name and matric number. For example, Ahmed Tinubu Lawal. Your name, matric number, and the paper 2019 1 2 3 4. The matric number. So there's no slash, so you can use a dash. So use a dash and use a course code. Your course code, let's say ACC 542, and save. So just say okay, so it saves it. Now click on the save button below to save that page. Now that page is saved. So you can see the tab to add new page. So go to the next sheet you want to upload and click on the tab button. So tap it to add a new page. Then capture that page as well. So the page is captured. So you don't need to save again, you save once. So this is page 2 of your document. And do save. Go to page 3. Page 3, now just use the camera. Just click on the camera icon at the bottom right to add page 3. So we're adding page 3. This is page 3. So page 3 is added. Do next and do page 4. So we're adding 4 pages in one document. Save. You can see page 3. Now the camera icon again to add page 4. So do next. Crops your image and save. So you've saved all your file as Ahmed Tinubu Lawal. Now we're going to search to upload. We'll search to upload the file. So go to the upload section of the form. Prompt as if you want to upload the file. So in this case, I don't have any form open. So just showing you how you navigate to the form. So I'll do as if I'm attachment. Just go to documents on your phone. Then from documents, browse other documents. Then research, you can see downloads, you can see Galaxy. Now the internal storage, that's your phone name, not SD card. Touch on your phone name. My phone is Galaxy A5. So touch on the phone name. So it opens Galaxy A5 for me. Now there are several files here. Just come to search and type to search your name. So now I'll search Tinubu. Tinubu is what I'll search. So and it should give me the file. So this is the file. So you send. So in that case you upload. So it automatically uploads the file for you. When the file is uploaded, click on submit on your Google form. Just click on submit on your Google form and you are done. So thank you very much.